Hey guys, thanks for coming back. So in today's video, we're gonna work on this part right here. We're gonna display these posts in lists, and after that, we're gonna also work on this scroll bar right here. Okay, let's do that. First, we're gonna need a sliver padding because we're gonna need some padding all around our list. Let's say only left, right. The same thing. In the bottom, we're gonna say 100, just like that. And here below, our sliver will be actually a sliver list builder. Here we're gonna need some in item counts. Let's say 10. And here our item builder. Let's remove these counts. Okay. And here we're gonna create it. It's gonna return material widgets. This material widget will have a color. Let's make it amber 100. The border radius will be circular 30, like that. Let's save. Okay, nothing. It's good. It's gonna have a child. Let's give it a column. Excuse me. Column. This column will have children. So the first item, let's write just data and see. Yeah, like that. Now here we're gonna need some space between the widgets. So let's wrap our material package, our material app, excuse me, by padding. And here we're gonna say only bottom 10. Yeah, like that. Okay, for this column, we're gonna say for this column, we're gonna say cross. It's gonna be starts the cross axis alignment. Okay, it's good. And here we're gonna say max line for this text. It's gonna be 2. The overflow. Text overflow ellipses. Let's save. Yeah, now we can change this text. Let's write something like YouTube tutorials. Let me save and see. Yeah, it's good. So now we can add some style to this text, and to do that we're gonna use the text style for the text. The height, let's make it 1.2. The font let's make it bold. Font weight bold, yes. And the font size will be 40. Let's save and see. Yeah, it's great. So after that we're gonna need some padding all around our the content of these material widgets. And the way we're gonna do that is by wrapping this column here by a padding, and we're gonna say all will be 20. Yeah, we save and it's okay. So it's great, but this text is not so great. Let me say just tutorial. Yeah, like that. Okay, now we're gonna add the body of our post item, and the way we're gonna do that is very simple. All we have to do is to create another text widget down here, and so let's just copy paste some text. We're gonna put it down here. Let me paste. I'm gonna save and see. Yeah, it's good. And after that we're gonna change the style of this text. So let's say text style, font size, let's make it 16, and the color, let's make it like 26. Let's 70. Yeah, it's so great. So let's try to scroll and see. Yeah, it works, and it's so beautiful. As you can see here, our interface doesn't have a scroll bar here in the right side of the screen. So we're gonna fix that by coming up here. We're gonna wrap our custom scroll view by another widget called scroll bar, just like that. This scroll bar can have a radius, and we're gonna say radius dot circular. I'm gonna say 30. Let's 70. Yeah, it works. Now we have our scroll bar displayed on our screen, but it's gonna display only when the user is scrolling. But if you want this scroll bar to stay on the screen, you can say just thumb visibility and make it true. If you save, it's gonna stay on the screen. So whenever the user scroll, he can see it, and if he doesn't scroll, it's gonna stay on the screen. But let's remove it just like that. Okay, it's good. So guys, before we finish this video, I'm gonna add some space between these two widgets here because I forgot to do that in the previous video. So we're gonna look, okay, it's here. We're just gonna copy these widgets and paste it just there. Yeah, like that. We're good. Hey guys, thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any question about this tutorial series, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll be back to you. I hope I see you in the next one. Peace.